Hello students, welcome to another video on logic design. In this video, you will learn about logic gates. Logic gates are the fundamental building blocks of digital systems. The name logic gate is derived from the ability of such a device to take decisions. A logic gate will have inputs and will have an output as well. When some combination of inputs is given to a logic gate, it will provide an output. So for every different input combination, it will give you an output. Inputs and outputs of logic gates can occur only in two levels. These levels are 0 and 1, or in other words, high or low, true or false, on or off. The interconnection of logic gates to perform a variety of logical operations is called as logic design, and this is the basis of our subject. Next, let us learn about truth tables. A truth table lists out all the possible combinations of input variables and the corresponding outputs. In other words, it shows the relationship between inputs and outputs. If you look at the diagram below, you can see listed here are inputs and outputs. So the inputs are A and B, and there is a single output Y. Also, a truth table describes how the digital circuit will behave based on various input combinations. Recall from a previous video the different types of logic. We have positive logic and negative logic. In positive logic, if 1 represents a high voltage and 0 represents a low voltage, we call that a positive logic system. Negative logic is one in which 1 represents low voltage and 0 represents a higher voltage. In our study, the writing of truth tables will mainly follow the positive logic system. The first basic gate that we will study is the AND gate. The AND gate has two or more inputs and will have one output. The important thing to notice is that the output of this gate will be 1 when all of its inputs are 1. If any of the input happens to be a 0, then the output is 0 too. Because of this, it is given the nickname all or nothing gate. The logic diagram for the AND gate looks like this. Let us now write the truth table for the AND gate. Start by listing the inputs A and B, followed by the output, which is labeled as Q. If input A is 0 and B is also 0, the output Q will be 0. If input A is 0 and B is 1, the output Q will still be 0 since one of its inputs is 0. If input A is 1 and B is 0, output Q will be 0. Again, since one of its inputs is 0. However, if input A is 1 and B is also 1, then the output Q will be 1, since all the inputs are 1. The logic equation of the AND gate in terms of its input and output can be written as Q is equal to A dot B. The next basic gate that we will study is the OR gate. The OR gate can have 2 or more inputs but will have only one output. Important thing to notice is that the output of this gate will be 1 when any of its inputs are 1. If all the inputs are given as 0, then the output is 0 too. Because of this, it is given the nickname any or all gate. The logic diagram for the OR gate looks like this. Let us write the truth table for the OR gate. Start by listing the inputs A and B followed by the output Q. If input A is 0 and B is also 0, then the output Q will be 0, since all the inputs are 0. If A is 0 but B is 1, then the output Q will be 1, since any one of its inputs is 1. If input A is 1 and input B is 0, then the output Q will be equal to 1, since any one of its inputs is 1. If input A is 1 and B is 1, then the output Q will also be 1, since all the inputs are 1. The logic equation of the OR gate in terms of its inputs and output can be written as Q is equal to A plus B. The next gate that we will study is the NOT gate. This is the only logic gate that has only one input and one output. If the input is 1, then the output is 0. If the input is 0, the output is 1. For this reason, it is given the name the inverter, since it inverts its input. The logic diagram for the NOT gate looks like this. It's an arrowhead with a bubble at the tip. Let us write the truth table for the NOT gate. Start by listing the inputs, that is just A. Then write the output, which we labeled as Q. If input A is 0, the output Q is 1. If input A is 1, the output Q is the opposite of it, that is 0. The logic equation of the NOT gate in terms of its input and output is Q is equal to A bar. Notice that the bar covers the letter A. Some textbooks use a different notation, that is Q is equal to A dash. That's all for now. A few important points to be made on this video. If you connect a logic circuit using AND, OR and NOT gates, then the circuit is said to follow AOI logic, where I stands for inverter. For example, the circuit in this figure, notice that it has two AND gates, there is one OR gate, and there are two NOT gates. Hence, this circuit is said to follow AOI logic. Remember that AND and OR gates can have two or more inputs. For example, if you have an AND gate with 3 inputs, then the output of this gate will be 1 if and only if all its inputs are 1. If any of the 3 inputs is 0, the output will be 0. Similarly, if you have an OR gate with 3 inputs. If all the inputs are 0, the output of the OR gate will be 0. However, if any of the 3 inputs is 1, then the output of the gate will be 1. NOT gate has just one input and only one output. Connect to the classroom for further videos and learning material.